Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make plants bigger and grow a garden. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make plants bigger and grow a garden. To make plants bigger like this, for example, my Rosy Delight, my Sugar Apple, and my Sunflower, and everything right here, as you can see, they're all big. Lumira, Lilac. So, how to make them all big? All you need to do is you need to have moon cats, at least two moon cats. Yeah, moon cats right there. You need a moon cat, at least two moon cats. As you can see right now, I have three moon cats right here. Now, so all you need to do is to drop your moon cats. So I'm gonna pick up this, pick up our raptors. There you go. Then we're gonna drop our moon cats. There you go. Moon cat, moon cat, moon cat. After we drop our all of our moon cat, now all we need to do is um ready our sprinklers right here. So we need to ready our basic, advanced, then godly, and after that, master. As you can see right now, all of my fruits right here, my kiwi are small. They're all small. So now we're gonna make them big. So what the moon cat does right here, as you can see right here, every 65.37 seconds, naps for 20 to 93 seconds. New fruit within 20.93 studs will be 1.55 larger. After a chance, nighttime fruit stay after harvest. So as you can see, so it means we have a 1.555% chance. Is correct. We have a 1.55x percent to make it larger. So now we're gonna all we need to do is just put the sprinklers down before removing the plants. So we need to put sprinklers right here. Let's put it there. There you go. Put all the four sprinklers. There you go. When all the four sprinklers are down, all we need to do is take the kiwi. There you go. Take the kiwis. There you go. We're gonna take them all. Yeah, take all the kiwis. Let's see, we have max. We have max. We're max out, so we're gonna sell. Sell stuff. I want to sell everything. That's it. I want to sell everything. There you go. I'm just saying something so I won't get so I can get more kiwi right here. Here we go. You get all the kiwi right there. Now we just have to wait. Like I say, you don't have to leave the game for this because you only drop these four sprinklers right here. And plus we have Mooncat, so you don't have to leave the game. There you go. Let's wait for it. I can see we can also include our bell peppers right here. Bell peppers. So yeah. So I'm gonna just time lapse this and yeah. So I'm gonna time lapse this so you guys can see it in a speed version and how it grows. It's gonna be big. So how many minutes do we have left here? There we go. There we go. So I'm gonna okay, there we go. I'm gonna stand here and let the time lapse begin. As you can see right now, we're right here. As you can see, there's a big circle. That's a moon cat doing its thing, making the fruits big. There you go. As you can see, we have one here is still growing. There's a giant, very gold. This one is very giant, but it's not fully grown yet. The kiwi, so we'll just have to wait. We have this massive kiwi right here. So yeah, that's how to make your garden grow really big. So right here, as you can see right here, this is not yet done. It's very huge. Oh my gosh, so very huge. So now we're just gonna flip. We're just gonna get this chair right here, so you can see how big it is. So right there, we're gonna get the chair. And the chair right here. So this is a bit of a glitch, guys, but it's just a good glitch because it doesn't harm or it's not bad. So we're just gonna take something. We're gonna take that. Put right here. Put our chair right here. We're gonna sit right there. After we sit right there, with this, we can flip this down. See how big it is. There you go. Three, two, one. Oh, we have massive. As you can see right there, we have massive kiwis, large kiwis right here. Wow. So we're gonna collect them. So I'm gonna show you how big they are. So let's go. Let's collect our kiwis. I'll show you how big they are right now. So collect them, big kiwis. There you go. So our bell pepper too. There you go. So I'm gonna show you our kiwis. So we have kiwis right here. Our kiwis, they're super massive, as you can see right here. Kiwi. No, that's the one. See, we have massive kiwi right here. We have very large kiwi, super large kiwi. Oh, we have different kinds of big kiwi right here. So there you go. That's how you get your. Oh, we have a rainbow. We have a large rainbow kiwi. This is very. It's very good. So yeah, we have a. That's how you do. That's how you make your That's how you make your plants bigger in grow a garden, and that's how you make your. Yeah, that's how you get your bigger plants in grow a garden. So all you need is mooncats and four sprinklers, which is a basic, advanced, godly, and master sprinkler. Put it at the same time. You don't have to leave your game or anything like that. You just need to. All you just need to is. All you just need to is just wait for the magic happens. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.